So welcome back. Let us solve the second part of the question. All right. The second part says that if one of the women refuses to serve on the same committee as a particular man, how many committees are now possible? All right. First, remember that we are talking about a committee of 2 men and 3 women that is to be formed, to be choosing from 5 men and 4 women. Now, we have already calculated how many different committees will be formed if we consider all this. So for you to now find if one of the women refuses to serve on the committee, first, as a particular man, first, you will now consider if a particular man and a particular woman is to be in the committee. When you get that, you will now subtract it from this first answer that you got can be formed to now give you if a particular woman will refuse to serve in the committee. That is how you solve a case like this. So let us now solve it if a particular man and a particular woman is involved in the committee. What you do in that case, if you hear that word, if a particular man or a particular man or a particular woman is involved in the committee, what you do is that you check how many men we have. We have 5 men. So for a particular man to be, you will not subtract 1 from the 5 men and 1 from the 2 men. So this will not be, if you subtract 1 from the man, will not be 4. And since you have taken 1, here will not remain in 1 man, so before combination 1, then times, go to the women. For a particular woman to be in the committee, we have 4 women. So if you take 1 from the 4, you take 1 from the 4. That's how you do it. Take 1 from the other 3, the 4 here, then take 1 from the 3 here. So that will not be 3 combination 2. 3 combination 2. So when you solve this, 4 combination 1 is 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial. Then times 3 combination 2 is 3 factorial over 3 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. And 4 factorial is 4 times 3 factorial over 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial times 1 factorial is 1. Then times 3 factorial is 3 times 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial is 1 times 2 factorial. Okay, so 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. Here, 3 factorial will cancel 3 factorial. So here we'll now have 4 times what? 4 times 3. That will be what? 12. That will be 12. So this for if a particular man and a particular woman are in the committee. But since they say one woman refuses to serve in the committee, we will now subtract this 12 from when the entire people were used to form the committee. And what do we do the other time? We'll be having 5 men, 5 combination 2 times 4 combination 3. That give us 40. You can play the video again and see how we got the 40. So you have to subtract this 12 from that 40. That will now give us 40 minus 12, which is equal to 28. So in this case now, our answer is going to be 28. So thank you for watching.